Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to back up iPhone photos to Dropbox. Backing up your iPhone photos to Dropbox ensures your memories are safely stored in the cloud so that it can be accessible from any other devices. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Dropbox application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on Account at the bottom right. Inside the account icon, go ahead and tap on Camera Uploads. From the Camera Uploads page, tap on Turn on Camera Uploads at the bottom. And once you do that, allow necessary permissions such as backup photos, upload from camera roll, include videos, and so on from this page. And right after you do that, you will be able to turn on the automatic camera upload on Dropbox. If you want to manually upload photos to Dropbox, then from the home page of Dropbox, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom. Now click on Upload Photos and select the photos you want to upload from your gallery. After choosing the photos, click on Add at the top right. Now select where you want to upload or back your photo on from the folders. After you do that, click on Upload and you will then be able to upload the selected pictures. Your iPhone photos are now safely backed up to Dropbox. You can access them anytime via the Dropbox app or website. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.